Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. All right. It's time to give these wonderful mochi donuts a try. I've been really excited about this. My wife's been pushing me to make this wonderful recipe, and I'm kind of glad I did. They look really cute. Would you look at them? They're so nice and round. They've got 8 little balls. I got them glazed up. Well, some have strawberry glaze, some have just a vanilla glaze, and then this one has the glaze and some chocolate drizzle. Now, it's finally time for me to give these bad boys a try and hope they taste as good as they look. Give you a close-up shot here. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. They came right. They look good. They look like they're supposed to. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, not bad. I'll tell you what, got a beautiful chew. You really can't tell there's tofu in there at all, one bit. They've got like a little QQ flavor. If you know what QQ is, if you don't, ask one of your Asian friends. QQ is this texture between chewy and firm, and it's just amazing. And that sweet sugar glaze with that chocolate on there. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're looking to make a homemade donut and you want something new, this is the one to try. So good. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss episodes as they come out. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been sharing our episodes on your social media platforms. It's really been helping a lot and sending a lot of traffic our way, and I'm doing what it is that I want to do best, which is help people learn how to cook simple, easy, and delicious food. If you'd like to be a bigger part of Uncle Bill's Kitchen, consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps our channel out a lot, gives me funds so that I can buy better produce and give you better recipes on this channel. If that's too much, consider becoming a coffee member. Just buy me a little cup of coffee. Links in the description below.